Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, and good wishes to all of us. My name is Nabila Aulia Hadi.
My name is Evidonna Azimy.
My name is Nadila Ayu Widyaningputri.
We are from IoT Group 2 and we would like to present you our material about e-tax.
Before we learn about e-tax, we must understand the meaning of the tax itself. So, what is tax? Tax is an amount of money that the government requires people to pay according to their income, the value of their property, and others. And it is used to pay for the things done by the government, such as roads, schools, hospitals, public transportation, and other public facilities. After knowing about what is tax, now we can learn about what is e-tax. The government's program regarding tax payments, electronic taxes, or better known as e-tax, has been going on for years. Maybe many people are still curious about what is e-tax and for whom it is intended. Electronic tax is an online tax payment system that can be used by all taxpayers to make tax payments and reports. E-tax, as an online-based facility, provides access to make tax payments anywhere and anytime.
What is the purpose of e-tax?
With the existence of e-tax, it is hoped that the government's goal of improving the system for supervising and monitoring taxpayers' payment for economic businesses can be achieved. These business fields include the entertainment, restaurant, hotel, and parking business sectors. In addition, the presence of e-tax is also expected to minimize fraud related to tax payment matters, so that tax payments can be made with an easy reporting and payment mechanism.
How about the implementation?
The implementation of e-tax invoices is not only carried out in Indonesia. Some of the countries that have implemented the e-tax invoices are European Union, which has implemented since 2001, and then South Korean, which has also implemented in 2001, but it was still voluntary. In 2011, it has been mandatory for all companies that has been registered in the VAT administration. Next, we have Chile, that has been implemented e-tax invoices since 2000, and then Thailand, that has been implemented e-tax invoices since 2012. And then the most recently is Indonesia that has implemented e-tax invoices since 2014.
And how about the development?
Advances information technology encourage tax authorities in the world to adapt the internet and technology in their administrative systems. Some of the technologies are certified cash registers, online bookkeeping, e-billing, and e-invoicing. Having previously e-SPT for annual and periodic SPT reporting, since 2015, the e-tax structure has been developed.
Is there any legal basis that regulates the e-tax?
Well, there is no legal basis that actually regulate the e-tax. But as we know that e-tax is related with technology and internet, so we can conclude that e-tax is also regulated in Law Number 11, 2008 as a law that regulate the information and electronic transaction.
So how do we make the tax reports?
There are things that must be prepared before reporting the tax return. So for worker or an officer, personal taxpayer, they need to complete a document by showing proof of withholding 21 article of their income tax. So it is usually provided by their company's HRD. After that, they are also required to prepare the electronic filing identification number before reporting the tax return.
After completing all of the requirements, the first thing that they have to do is go to the website. The website address is iponline.co.id. And then the second thing is they need to log into their account with the existing taxpayer identification number. They need to fill the number, password, and then Unicode, or we usually call it as CAPTCHA. After that, there will be several questions that must be answered by the taxpayers. And then they need to fill the form of taxpayers. Last thing is they will receive if the tax return has been successfully reported.
What are the advantages and disadvantages?
So there are some of advantage and disadvantage that we can get by using this e-tax. The first advantage, it is easy to access. The second, it is more efficient for the taxpayer because it can be done anywhere and anytime. So the disadvantage of e-tax is the first one is all features are not fully understood by the taxpayer. Why? Because not all of the taxpayers know about how to fill the requirements and how to submit all of the documents. The second is that this program is high maintenance. The third is taxpayers still being asked for a bare e-bank account even though they already have an account in different bank accounts. So it is inefficient.
Okay guys, so that's all for our explanation about e-tax, and thank you for watching. Bye!
Everyone's lining up to see her.